Buying gold in bulk after the government strike on black money and fake currency, the yellow metal deposits with retailers is fast exhausting. In places like Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, the jewelers have shut shops after witnessing a mega gold rush. There is also a huge rush in Mumbai's famed Zaveri Bazaar, with consumers willing to buy gold in cash for over 71% premium. Now, since the big crackdown, sources say most people with black money are putting in small investments in gold which don't involve declaring PAN numbers. Remember, customer needs to declare their PAN numbers for buying gold worth over 2 lakh rupees. Local jewelers say they have received numerous calls from customers, but they had sold all gold jewellery that they had in stock. Sources claim that jewellers have been selling gold at the rate of 40,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees for 10 grams by showing backdated entries in their book. Currently, the metal has been trading at 30,610 rupees per 10 grams. India is the world's largest gold consumer and imports a sizable chunk of its total annual consumption of around 900 to 1,000 tons.
ये ऐलान किया है कि 500,000 के नोट बाजार में बंद हो चुके हैं, तो सोने के भाव में बहुत तेजी आई है। 35,000 रुपए सोना प्रति तोला था, अब वो 50,000 रुपए तोला भी बाजार में नहीं मिल रहा है। लोगों के हालात बुरे हैं।
कि लोगों का जो ब्लैक मनी के कारण मार्केट से सोना सारा गायब हो चुका है। लोग एक नंबर में ट्रांजेक्शन करना कोई पसंद नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो सोने की कीमतों में इसके कारण बढ़ाव भी आ गया है। लोग सोना लेना चाहते हैं जो मिल नहीं रहा है।
It was a sudden announcement that sent shockwaves down the country when Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that 500 and 1,000 rupee notes are going to be redundant from now on. And as expected, gold prices shot up following the announcement. And this morning, people had been thronging to jewelry stores wanting to buy gold in place of cash. But jewelry stores have set down a strict norm saying that they will not do any transactions or make any sales with 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. They will only accept credit cards and checks. Clearly, the fight for corruption is on. With camera person Wahid, Ilma Hassan for India Today.